Hello again. How was that? Nice, nice. Seems like you have some varying opinions. So just to reiterate what we went over the basics of the Fibonacci sequence. We also went over the golden ratio. We also talked about, some of the background, some history, some of its where we see it in nature, some of its natural aspects. What we're going to be doing now is transfer into more man-made usage, I guess. So we're going to be looking at artists, specifically musical artists, musicians, that use the Fibonacci sequence in making music. So they take certain notes that follow the Fibonacci sequence. They take a certain amount of measures or whatever that take Fibonacci sequence. They just use it all over in their piece. And I'm going to show you that by having you guys watch this video that is linked in the thing. It's the next link. And then after that, what you guys are going to do is kind of imitate what he did to a certain level. Like I said earlier, you don't have to focus on being a great musician. You're just going to kind of do something similar to what he did. You're going to get a app on your phone. You are going to get an app like a guitar app or piano app or some app like that. And then you're going to get a screen recording app, which some of you might already have, I don't know. And then what you're going to do is on a blank Word document, just like we did before, you're going to write your thought processes down, everything that's going through your head while you're making this. And you're going to either make your own music using the Fibonacci sequence, or just kind of work with what he already had done and kind of imitate that to get a similar result. I'm just looking for, you guys trying to do this. Obviously, it's not going to come out great all the time, and it's going to be rough or whatever, but this will be due next class or whatever, so you got time to work on it. So what you're doing is you're watching the video, you're trying to reiterate it. You just need to use the screen recorder for your final playing so that I can hear what your final result is, and then have that worksheet with all your thoughts, everything you did, your thought processes, everything that's going on. Like you're like, oh, Fibonacci sequence is kind of rough here, so I changed it to this, I did this. Just basically give me everything that's going inside your head so I can follow through with what you were doing. After that, we'll be going on to the end. Like, that's it. That's it for today. So, thank you guys.